English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 1. Responses to being thanked. Thank you. How would you reply? What would a native say? You're welcome. You're welcome. Thanks a lot. What's a more natural reply? What would people usually say? No problem. No problem. I appreciate it. What would friends say? What do people actually say? No worries. No worries. Thanks for helping me. How could you keep it short? How would a native put it? Anytime. Anytime. You really helped me. What would you say here? What's the natural response? My pleasure. My pleasure. Thanks. What's the most common reply? In everyday conversation? Of course. Of course. Thanks for going out of your way. What's a smooth response? How would a native answer? Glad to help. Glad to help. I really appreciate it. What if it's casual? What do people usually say? No big deal. No big deal. Thank you. What's a natural one-liner? What would you say in English? Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Thanks for your help. Here's another common reply. What would you say? Happy to help. Happy to help. Thanks. What's a short reply? How would a native respond? Sure thing. Sure thing. Thank you so much. How would you put them at ease? What do people actually say? It's all good. It's all good. Thanks for today. What's a friendly response? How would you say it? Anytime. Anytime. Thank you. Ready for one more? What's a native-like reply? My pleasure. My pleasure. Thanks a lot. What's a great way to finish? Ready for the last one? You're very welcome. You're very welcome. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Happy to help. Happy to help. Sure thing. Sure thing. It's all good. It's all good. Anytime. Anytime. My pleasure. My pleasure. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.